Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI P60 PRO, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So if you want to, for example, activate the camera application by double press to the power key up, we should first open the settings and then scroll down to accessibility features. Then tap the shortcuts and gestures and click to ultra snapshot and switch off to open the camera. And now double press to the volume down button. Okay, so now let's lock the device and let's twice press to the down volume button, and we could see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.